nandito na kami sa boat. Mag-Milford cruise kami ngayon. And just to let off. Gustong gusto. Nag-cruise. Gustong gusto yan mag-cruise mga darling.
Kasi sa dada. Sa dada lang ayaw. Gusto mag-cruise.
Yan. Kamusta naman kayo mga darling? Yan. Kami lang dito. Tapos nagkita kami ni Kat, yung kasamahan ni Mike sa work. Shout out Catherine Rivera. Oh. Bakit gusto na laters mga darling, magdede ang isa.
We were expecting a storm to roll on through and then possibly today, but job and pushed the storm a little bit further south of us, so we just got this real moody, amazing day out here. So give yourselves a pat on the back by turning up today. Hi folks, my name is Fjord. I'm taking you around this place, and I am lucky enough to work with these four amazing ladies today. We've got Sarah, Zara, Kirsty and Jasmine on board. And these four ladies are here to help you out, answer your questions, tell you all sorts of things. In fact, they're full of knowledge, so please make sure you feel nice and close to them throughout the cruise.
See you later.
I'm just going to run you through a quick safety briefing on the vessel.
All day, actually. This is New Zealand's most photographed and most famous mountain, Mitre Peak. 1,682 metres of solid rock. Given its name because of its shape. The top third of it, the bit that's sort of hiding in the clouds here at the moment, is said to resemble the shape of a bishop's hat. A bishop's mitre. Not a bad name, is it, for a cool mountain? It's not the original name though. It was originally named by the Māori. And well, as far as I'm concerned, if you name things first, your name should stick. Plus it's a pretty awesome name they came up with. They call this mountain Rahotu.
Ayan kami mga darling. Kaming dalawa lang muna ni Liam dito. Kasi minsan magdidede siya. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng tanawin sa labas. Cruise. Ganda ng Milford. Ang tawag ng cruise na to is Milford Sound New Zealand Cruise. Pakita namin sa inyo yung magandang tanawin ng Milford Sound, mga darling. So sit back and relax and watch our vlog very well. Watch Liam eating in Milford Sound. No, Liam, no? Oh, you like the view? It's a very nice view out here. Huh? Baba? Tao dito.
Okay lang kayo dyan,
Ayan si Dada. Labas ka lang dun da.
Labas kayo. Okay lang ako dun. Pa-picture time tatlo. Ano ba yung babae? Pwede magpa-picture.
Pwede? Watch sila ng dolphin, mga darling. Diyan. May dolphins. Pinipicturean ni Mike. Binibidyohan. Dito lang kami kasi mahirap na si Babu Chulit. Sus! Makalumusot doon. Na? Bana? Ha? Do you want to see dolphins? Baba? Ha? Hmm? You want to see dolphins? Ganda. Cruise.
Sabi mo sa cruise?
Sulit.
Swak na swak.
Binayan.
Ano bang natutunan mo sa cruise na to?
Natutunan ko magpabasa sa falls.
Mabasa at walang pamalit.
Walang pamalit. Shirts pa more.
Shirts pa more. Oh, tiis ganda. Tiis gwapo tong kasama ko.
Lamig nagkamali. Nagmamadali na tayo eh. Kala ko hindi na tayo makakasabay.
Ano pang natutunan mo doon?
Pakainin si Liam bago maalis.
Nagmamadali.
Nagmamadali na ito.
1:45 aalis yung barko. 1:44 na kami nakaapak sa
1:40 oh, 1:45. Pero buti 1:45 bago nila bubuksan, no?
Swerte talaga ikaw.
Swerte itong swerte oh.
Ako swerte siguro kaya birthday
girl man. Birthday mommy. Mga darling, pabalik na ang barko. Yan. Lapit na kaming tapos mag-cruise. Yan. So, see you na lang there sa aming holiday park na pagsistayhan, darling.
Hello!
Nag-iisa lang to. Dito. Forest type na campsite. Ito oh, sa bundok.
Ito yung mga ano na parang studio type.
Asan yung ano nila, yung kitchen, ay yung restaurant. Puntahan natin yung restaurant nila, mga darling. Maganda ba yung ano, sarap ba yung mga pagkain? Pag hindi, magluto na tayo sa kamar. Birthday ko bitaw.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Kaya kung masarap, dito na lang kami kakain. Pero kung hindi, balik-balik ka. So, ito yung mga lounge nila dito, mga dati. Ganda. Na? Super cozy. Anong hande dyan, no?
Oh, ay, ay. Ah, sorry. Mag-isama na kung dyan. Okay.
Yan na, ulam namin. Foodie. Ito is fish and chips, seafood chowder, and mussels. Gutom na. Kain tayo, mga darling.
Ito na yung main course. Venison, medium rare, garlic bread ba yan? Salmon, salad. Big. Diyan si Dadang.
Hello, mga darling! Nandito kami sa Milford Sound. And thank you so much for watching our vlog. And hindi pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo. Please do like and share our videos. And sa mga next vlog ulit, mga darlings. Bye!